Good morning, friends. As we know, rains are about to start here in India. I am just giving you an overview of my present terrace garden and the changes I am going to make in it for the coming rainy season. As you can see, this video I had recorded a few days earlier. The whole of my garden was covered with uh, these green shades. All my planters were covered with the green shades as it is very hot here in summers. You can see all my planters were covered with the green shades. Now the rains are about to arrive, so the temperature will certainly going to fall down, so we will not be needing these green shades. Now in this part of the video you will see that I have removed all the green shades as rains are about to start and temperature is going to fall down. You can see I had sown some coriander, spinac. These are some old chili plants that I am going to remove after some time. There are some okra plants, lady's finger plant. They are also almost 2-3 months old. These are some eggplants, you can see. They are all flowering. So what I am showing here is the present plants present in my terrace garden. These are muskmelons. You can see muskmelon vine. These are, see, look at the fruits. And as you know, the rainy season supports these vine kind of plants very much. So they are the best plants to grow in the rainy season. Wild melons, what we call kachri here in India. These are some beans. Bottle gourd vines. All the vines are very good for rainy season. They'll all fruit during rainy season and will grow well. So are the best plants that should be grown for the rainy season. Look at these bitter gourd vines. So these are some plants that are present here in my terrace garden now. And I had started preparing for rainy season. So these okra plants I planted last month. I had grown them from the seeds. Last month I sowed up the seeds and they are, you can see they have grown up and will flourish in this rainy season. These were some potatoes that I sowed last month only. You can see. So from last month only I started preparing for this rainy season. I have sown seeds, so you can see these are pepper seeds. I am going to replace my older pepper plants. These are some bell peppers. I sowed the seeds last month. These are the cauliflowers and they are special variety. They can be grown in rainy season. Although cauliflower is a winter plant, they are sown generally in winters, but this kind of variety is good for rainy season also. So I started preparing the seedlings to replace the older plants in my terrace garden with a newer one. You can see these are the cauliflower seedlings. You can see here some tomato seedlings. These are the pepper seedlings. Very soon I am going to replace them. These are some bell peppers. These are brinjals, eggplants. Two varieties of eggplant I am starting. These will be round one and the other one will be the longer one. Longer eggplants. These are some peppers that I prepared, sowed last month only. The plants are ready. These are the vines. Some cucumber vines, you can see. They all are new vines. I sowed them last month only. These are the tomatoes. Look at the tomato seedlings. And very soon I am going to plant them in the planters. These are the bags and the gardening soil. uh, I have started mixing some more compost to the old gardening soil for the newer plants. Look at here, I am mixing this compost with the older soil and adding some bone meals and a little of antifungal medicine to it, as plants are more prone to fungal infection during rains. So I am just getting my gardening soil recharged. I am recharging my older soil for the newer plants. You can look here that this is the soil preparation, gardening soil compost. These are the new planters that I have prepared for the seedlings that I had shown you also. So very soon I am going to replace them in these planters. These older pepper plants and the okra plants I am soon going to remove, and very soon you will find a new overlook of my terrace garden, and I'll definitely share it with you. For the rainy season, we must also ensure that our drainage system is good, and we must look at our planters that there should be sufficient holes present in them for the excess water to come out, because we will have a lot of water during the rains. And we must plant the maximum number of wine plants, whether it is bottle gourd, bitter gourd, whatever kind of wines you can plant, they all are good for rainy season. So very soon I am going to share with you the new overview of my terrace garden after the rains. Thank you.